let's look at this past WAEC question. Okay, so the question says find the value of y in the diagram above. Okay, so this diagram is a shape with four sides. So it's a four-sided shape. Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean five-sided shape. Okay, and that's a pentagon. So, and each of these shape, we have different angles, but the angles are external angles. Okay, the angles are what? External angles. And the sum of the external angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So to find the value of y here, we sum up everything and equate it to 360. So let's do that. So I'm going to start from here. I will say 4y plus 2y plus 3y plus 5y plus 4y, and we equate it to 360 degrees. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is so everything here, 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 will give us 18y equals to 360 degree. Okay, so from here we divide both sides by 18. Say y equals to 360 degree divided by 18, and y equals to 20 degree. And that's the answer.